Hey guys, now it's time to see what are collections. So what are collections? In Java, a collection is an object that represents a group of object elements. The Java Collection Framework provides a set of interfaces and classes to handle and manipulate collection of objects. Collections simplify the process of storing, retrieving, and manipulating data in various ways. So collections are simply containers which can store a group of elements, and the way which those group of elements are organized depends on the type of the collection that you use. So at first we have the collection, which is the root interface in the collection hierarchy. It defines the basic methods that all collections will have, such as add, remove, contains, and size. Next we have set. A set is a collection that does not allow duplicate elements. Some common implementations include the hash set, link hash set, and tree set. Next we have a list. A list is an ordered collection that allows duplicate elements. Elements can be accessed by their index. Common implementation include ArrayList, linked list, and vector. And finally we have map, and a map is not a subtype of collection interface, but is an important part of the collection framework. It represents a collection of key value pairs. Common implementation includes the hash map, link hash map, and the tree map. Now let's open IntelliJ IDE. So this is the diagram showing the hierarchy of collections. So at the top you have the iterable and the collection interfaces. And in green we have the actual implementations of those interfaces. So we have the list interface and we have an implementation which is an array list, linked list, vector, and stack. Next we have queue, so we have priority queue, DQ, array queue, and next we have set, which is the interface, and the actual implementation, the hash set and link hash set. Now let's open IntelliJ IDE. Now let's create an array list. So I'm going to type here list. The interface is going to be in angle brackets. I'm going to type string because we're going to store text. It's going to be called, let's say, words equals, and now I'm not going to type list, new list, because that is the interface. I actually need an actual implementation of that interface. So I'm going to type new array list, semicolon. Now I can add elements in this list. I'm going to type words dot add, and now we can put an element here. Let's say hi, semicolon. Let's press Ctrl D. Let's put hi, hello, how. Let's press Ctrl D. How are words you. Add. Let's put you here. Now to get the elements from this list that we created, I'm going to use a for loop. So I'm going to type for I equals 0, I is less than, I'm going to type here words dot size, and I will put here words. Let's put SOT first, SOT words dot get. I'm going to use the get method to get the index of our elements. So I'm going to type get, and I'm going to put hi here. Now if you run this, get hi, hello, how are you. So getting all the elements using the get function. We can also use contains. So I can type here if words that contains, let's say, day, it's gonna say is true, else it's gonna say SOT does not contain. So let's run this. The contains, as the name implies, to see if this this element is contained in our list words. So we're checking for day, but if I put here hello to check, now it's gonna say is true because we have this element in our list. Right, so this is the array list. There are also other methods that you can use with the array list, but I'm gonna keep it as it is. I'm not gonna expand. And let's look at the next list implementation that you can use. But I'm gonna end this video here, and I'm gonna do that in the next video.